Hey, Cynthia. What are we doing today? We're hiking on the trail. Hey, Colin. What are we doing today? Hiking on the trail? Yeah? Are we at the park today with lots of beautiful trees?
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day. Here's an observation deck so we can look down on that pretty ravine. Oh, there it is. Let's go get on the deck. We can look out at the beautiful ravine.
Yeah. We can get in it.
Yeah, we can get in the deck.
In the deck. Uh-huh.
Let me record myself. Hi. I'm hiking on the trail too. I'm usually behind the camera. You gonna look down on the ravine? Is that down? Does that go down so far? Look how beautiful it is out there. Lots of animals and trees live down there.
Huh.
Yeah, what do you think? Where's the roly-polies?
Yeah.
Well, we'll keep looking for roly-polies. Okay, Cynthia? Is Colin, you going to sit on the bench with Cynthia? That's good. Okay, look at me and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.